Let's shift our focus to the other big story that we're tracking, the examinations for final year students. Remember, there's a case that is being heard in the Supreme Court, and the Home Ministry has in fact made a submission to the Supreme Court. The Home Ministry has stated that permission has been given to the University Grants Commission to conduct these exams. The MHA has made it clear to the Supreme Court that the decision was taken in the academic interest of a large number of students. So this is, of course, the big story that we're tracking. Vaidyanathan joining us with the details. Vaidyanathan, lakhs of students are going to be impacted by whatever decision the court decides to take. But it's crucial to note here that, they were waiting for the UGC to file a reply and the MHA to file a reply. And the MHA has made it abundantly clear that they're backing exams to go ahead.
Exactly. Actually, tomorrow the three-judge bench would be taking this case around 11:15 or so. Today, in the last hearing, the three-judge bench clearly asked the government, what is your stand? So MHA today submitted a stand saying that it has permitted the HRD Ministry and UGC to go ahead and conduct the examinations in the interest of the students. So MHA affidavit also said that it has taken a decision giving permission under the Disaster Management Act after HRD Ministry asked the Home Ministry whether relaxation can be given so that exams can be conducted. As far as UGC is concerned, it's quite adamant, saying that it will not cancel the examination. It's in the interest of the students. And it said that students should continue preparing for the examinations. Don't wait for the Supreme Court to be staying the examination. That's what it said last time. Even the recent affidavit also, the UGC is very categorical. But Delhi as well as Maharashtra, both states, they said as per the recommendation of their state disaster management board, they will cancel. But UGC has questioned them, saying that they can't do it because the MHA has already granted permission to conduct the examination. Anyway, we'll have to wait till tomorrow because UGC as well as MHA, they're saying conduct the examinations.
Yes.
Probably the Supreme Court may accept their view, but anyway, we'll have to wait till tomorrow.
Well, absolutely. Different states have, different situations at the moment and a lot of, questions really among students on how these exams will be conducted and, whether they'll be safe giving these exams in the midst of the pandemic. Very crucial developments there. We're going to keep a close watch on what happens in the Supreme Court.